at the front porch. And if you look out at the front porch, you can see the yard. There are new homes being built right across from it, right beside it. So a lot of new construction coming in. And then as we go to the front door, we have this frosted glass. And when you come in, you immediately walk into this very long, very tall foyer. I love that you don't walk immediately into the living space, but that you have this nice big hallway. It definitely gives it a very grand feel. And then you have just a coat closet right off of this closet. Very deep, lots of good storage. And then right to the left, you have your extra bedrooms. So this house is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So your 3 bedrooms are up here, kind of towards the front of the house. These are very large rooms with very good sized closets. This closet goes all the way back there. So really nice sized rooms. This is bedroom 1. Wait, there's the bathroom, but we'll come back to that in a second. Here is bedroom 2. Ceiling fans, and this closet's actually hidden back here, but a good walk-in closet here with some built-in storage. Very tall ceilings throughout the whole home. And then the 3rd bedroom, and this is probably, I think, one of the biggest ones, and it's laid out really well, where it could easily have a bed right here in the middle, big windows overlooking the front, and then a nice walk-in closet. Now, these 3 bedrooms have this bathroom up front with a very pretty tile, 2 different sinks, nice big mirror, and then the shower that has the tile all the way up to the ceiling. Pretty cabinets, more of that kind of natural wood look, which looks really good in here. And I really like these floors. It's kind of a unique design. I think it looks really good and kind of ties the whole bathroom together. Okay, so out of these rooms, we go back into the hallway, and then from the hallway, you enter the living area. And I just love the way this living area looks with the pretty fireplace there, but also the office doors that you can see. Nice big windows looking over this 3/4 of an acre lot straight into the kitchen. Very nice and open with a good flow. Over here you have a little drop zone into the laundry room, but I kind of want to just highlight this kitchen for a second. A big island solid slab with a big farmhouse sink. Into the dining area, and this is your only dining area, but it is quite large. You could definitely fit a very large table. You could even have some like built-in seating there if you wanted. You've got the microwave and the oven right here, which allows for you to have the vent hood right above the stove, which I think just makes it look even nicer. Pretty textured backsplash. Really no wasted space. The cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. Even this little nook right here would be great for like a Keurig. The cabinets have soft close on them. And then here is your pantry. So walk-in pantry, built-in shelves. And the flooring in this house is actually the wood look tile. So very durable, but it looks really nice. You can see the baseboards or the tall baseboards, pretty crown molding throughout the house. Again, tons and tons of storage. It's got the built-in trash can that goes right there. Good drawers here. Also, I like the drawers over here because they're really deep, so great for pots and pans. Again, all the way to the ceiling, just lots of great storage. And again, a great sized dining room. And then from here, you can kind of see the other view of the living room and the pretty light fixture. They also have the recessed lighting, which just adds a lot of good light. Not that we're short of it from these huge windows letting all that natural light in. And then the office is here towards the back of the house through these double doors. And again, a very nice size office. These room sizes are really great. This house is over 2,800 square feet, so all the rooms seem to be very spacious. It's got a ceiling fan in here, and then again, just big windows overlooking the backyard. So I think, you know, the way you could set this up, it would be great for like a desk in the middle, a desk against the wall. You could definitely like add some built-ins. I think it really just has a lot of good potential in this room. And then coming from there, you can see back into the living room and the kitchen. Now from here, we're going to come back in here and look kind of at the drop zone. So when you come in from the garage, you have this area to kind of set your backpack, set shoes, put your shoes on. But then you also have this really cute kind of inlet of a half bath. It's kind of got that dark and moody look to it, which I think just is kind of like a nice contrast to the rest of the house. Then you've also got just these cabinets for extra storage, your good junk drawers, and then again into the garage here, which also really has a lot of good natural light. It's a 3-car garage. You've got your attic access right there. So it is 3 cars wide, but also very deep. This extra little inlet here adds for a lot of extra storage. Now, leaving the garage, you come in and you have, again, to your kitchen, your drop zone, but right here you have your laundry room. So I like also kind of the color of these cabinets, just looks really nice. It's a good contrast to the rest of the house. So washer, dryer, little hanging space, extra cabinets, and then from here you walk straight into the master closet, which I love when they do this. I love when you go straight into it. This also has a lot of nice built-ins. If you didn't want a dresser, you have, you know, a little bit of dresser right there. Good storage all the way up there. And then just tons and tons of spots for hang up clothes. You can add some little bins up there. And then from the closet, we go into the master bath. And you have this really unique, really kind of funky looking tub with the window over it. And then you have 2 separate vanities, kind of a his and hers, which also has this built-in for like a makeup or, you know, a place to put a little bench and get ready, which a lot of homes do not have this extra little feature. And I think this just elevates this bathroom even more because you have your space, you know, brush your teeth, but then also to get ready. And this right here is like a big win to me. But then you also have some extra storage right here, just kind of like a linen closet. So towels, sheets. And then you have your toilet room in here with, again, extra storage up there. And then the nice, big, pretty walk-in shower. One thing I like that they did is they put the water here so you can easily just kind of like reach in and turn it on without having to get wet. So that nice also kind of cubby. So really just a pretty shower, pretty tile. And then from here, we're gonna go into the master bedroom, and you have the barn door here, which helps save space, but also looks really stylish. And then here is your master bedroom. And I don't know if the video does a great job at this, but it is huge. Like from this wall to that wall is just a ton of space. You could easily fit a king or maybe 2. So tons of space. You could also easily put dressers, maybe even like a couch and a sitting area. Big, pretty windows. The tray ceiling. So this is really a very, very spacious room. And then from here we come out and you got another little kind of closet here for storage. Again, the barn door to the bathroom. And then this little kind of entry room with this nice closet, and then you actually come this way back into the kitchen. So overall, this house is absolutely beautiful. It is located in Rosewood, which is a neighborhood north of Waterloo off of Penn. It's listed just under $600,000 at $585,000, over 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms plus an office, 2.5 bathrooms. As you can see from this video, the rooms are extremely spacious. Just the huge tall ceilings gives this a very grand looking feel. If you are looking at buying or selling in Edmond, Oklahoma, I would love to be able to help you. This house also is on well and septic, so that's just kind of a nice extra little addition. You can see they sodded part of the yard, but not the entire yard, so you have a good chunk of that backyard there. But if you are looking to buy or sell in Edmond, Oklahoma, I would love to be able to help you. I hope you enjoyed this home tour and just seeing what there is available on 3/4 of an acre, under 600,000, just under 3,000 square feet. Absolutely beautiful, built by Sharpe Homes. I will catch you in my next video.